Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. The holiday season is finally here and we're going to kick things off by opening this Harry Potter Holiday Magic Advent Calendar. So this thing is looking pretty cool, and it says that it has 25 days of surprises with mini books, mementos, and more. The official name of this is Harry Potter Holiday Magic, the official Advent Calendar, and it is $29.99. That's just a little over $1 per item in here. And this was shipped to me and provided to me for free to review and show you guys what it's all about by Insight Editions. We're gonna do every single day out of this right here in this video, so if you don't wanna be spoiled, don't watch it. But if you wanna see what's in here, I'm gonna open it up right now. And that might actually help you with a gift for a friend or something. If you want to buy them something like this, now you'll be able to see what's inside. Also, this book would look really cool just like up on your shelf too, like once you're done with it. This is a really cool design. It has gold foiling on it. So if we open it up, you can see that it doesn't have any pages in here. It's just the cover basically. And then there's these little envelopes that like you open up. So we're gonna start right here with one, obviously. It has a picture of Hermione brewing the Polyjuice potion right here. So this is number one. Let's see what we've got. Hogwarts Holiday. This is a little paper item. It says Hogwarts Holiday on it. Let's see what's, oh, it's like a little book. And each one of these images is like stills from the film maybe, or concept art. Yes, concept art from the film, so it says a little bit about each one. That's really cool. Perfect for Harry Potter fans. I'm glad this wasn't just a book full of like little Harry Potter chibi guys. Next, we will go to number two. We're gonna go in order for each one of these. So this one feels like tags. So these are tags for Christmas gifts. So this one has the Hogwarts crest on it, and this one has Hedwig on it carrying a broom. Okay, let's go for number three. And this has Harry Potter, a still from the movie. I think he's sitting in the Great Hall or the Common Room, I'm not quite sure. But let's open up envelope number three and see what it is. Oh, this one doesn't feel like paper, I don't think. Ooh. It is a wooden Christmas ornament, kind of with the Deathly Hallows burned into it or etched into it. Nothing on the back, but that's a nice little ornament. And again, something that I'm happy that was in here. So far, this has been really nice. So let's go to number four. Where's number four? Here it is, and it has a Christmas tree on it. We'll open this one up. And in here we have, ooh, another book, and it's like a little mini coloring book. It says Harry Potter Coloring Magic. And if we open it up, awesome, nice. It's got like just different things from the movie. And I like that it's actually like good artwork in here. Very nice. All right, now number five is right over here with a lion on it for Gryffindor. Does that mean it's a Gryffindor item? Let's see. Oh no, I was just talking about the chibi guys, and here we have it. Of course, there had to be some type of chibi art. I'm just not a fan. I'm sorry, guys. Let's see. Oh, it's Christmas cards. Not a real big fan of that chibi one, but this one's pretty cool. More chibi. This one's nice, and this one's nice. So out of those, I'm pretty happy with 3 out of 5. So that's cool. Number 6. Oh, cool. It's that very final scene when Harry is flying Buckbeak just before the credits roll, and this is a lenticular image. Really nice. I think this is really cool. I'm glad I got it. All right, so let's move to 7, which is right down here. It has Hermione and Victor Crumb at the Yule Ball. So does that mean this is Yule Ball related? We will see. So these appear to be tags for each of the different houses. And I assume this is for like gifts. It's more gift tags. Like if you have somebody who's a friend who's a Hufflepuff, you could just put this on their gift just as a decoration. And moving on to number 8, we have Hedwig here on the front of the envelope. And inside, oh, there's a bunch of cards in here. Ron Weasley with his Patronus, Dumbledore with his Patronus, Harry and Hermione, all with their Patronuses. That's actually pretty cool. The backs of them have a cool design. It says Expecto Patronum. So yeah, it's just cards with their Patronus. Very nice. I'm not sure if there's a use for these cards other than just the artwork, but still, it's good artwork. I like it. Now, where is number 9? Here it is, and it has the trio right there on the front. And inside, it feels like it might be another book. It is. It says Magical Moments. And then here's Harry's Patronus. Okay, so it's just different moments in the films with a little info about each scene that it's talking about, each moment that it's talking about. Number 10 is right here. Oh, cool. Nice. All right, so this is a Christmas ornament, it looks like. It could be anyways. Or it could be a tag for a gift if you want to use it like that. It's the Mirror of Erised, and this is like plastic, just see-through plastic. So you could put a picture of whatever you think you would see in the mirror behind this. That's pretty clever. And moving on to number 11, which is right here. This one's thick, whatever's in there. It is a Hogwarts, little notepad. And it's got the Hogwarts crest there. That's useful. I'll definitely use that too. And moving on to number 12, and I know I'm going a little bit quickly through these, but I mean, there are 25 of them. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time talking about each one. I want to get through these so we can see them all in a reasonable amount of time. Awesome. It is the Platform 9 3/4 Hogwarts Express ticket. Nothing on the back, so it's just an art print on the front. This one's kind of singed around the edges, so it looks like it's old. It's just been used. This is nice. I would have preferred it to have gold foil, but that's just me, and I love gold foil. But it's still a cool addition. We get a little Hogwarts ticket. I'll put this up on my shelf with the rest of my paper replicas over there probably. All right, now number 13. Where is number 13? Here, let's see what number 13 gives us. Oh, it's hard to get out of there. What is it? It's very small. A paper clip with a picture of the Monster Book of Monsters on there. So, I mean, it's not like a horrible thing. I'm not like mad that I got it or anything, but it's a paper clip though. So, I mean, it's just a paper clip. And number 14 right down here has a silhouette of Hogwarts. And if we open it up, on the inside, we have a sticker. And it is a sticker of the Hogwarts crest. That's really cool. Something else I opened up had a bunch of stickers in it. So this is gonna go nicely with that because I am planning on decorating an old trunk as soon as I get my hands on one that I like. And I'll be putting stickers all over it. It'll look like a school trunk probably. Next we go for number 15 with the Hogwarts crest on it. And inside we have, is this our acceptance letter? It says, oh, it's a pretty cool replica. It's very small, but it's the right shape and it has the right font on the back too. It's pretty nice. If we open up, oh, is this like a full? No, it's not full. Not full size, but it is a pretty nice replica. It has the correct signature by McGonagall. This is one of the coolest paper replicas that's been in here so far. I think this is probably the coolest paper replica that I've seen in this advent calendar. I'm happy with that one. Number 16 is right here, and it's pretty large back here, so let's see what they've got in here. Oh, okay. It is one of those things you would hang on the doorknob at like a hotel or something, like please do not disturb sign. And yeah, it says welcome to Hogwarts on one side, and it says studying for my owls on the other side. So I could put that on the doorknob, and then when I'm recording, I could put it on this side so, you know, nobody knocks or comes in. Next, we need number 17 right up here, and it has Flitwick hanging an ornament on the tree. He's floating it over there. And inside is, what is this? It's like a magnet. Oh, cool. Is this like a bookmark or something? It's a magnet, and it folds onto itself, so you can use it to like clip things. Actually, I just checked this. I see what you can do. So you can use it to, on your fridge. One side will stick to your fridge, and then it will also continue to open and close. So if you want to like hang a piece of paper or something with something important on it or whatever on your fridge, your kid's artwork, you can do that, and then just like, yeah, that's pretty cool. Number 18, here we are. We have Hogwarts inside of a snow globe, it looks like. And on the inside, we have first year student. Oh, that's strange. This is the other part of that letter. This should have been in there with that. I kind of find it weird that they separated it out. This is the books and supplies needed for first years. Again, it's very nice, good textures. Everything looks pretty accurate. It does feel a little strange that this just wasn't in the envelope with the letter, but I'm still glad we got this part of the letter too. All right, next up we have number 19. It has a silhouette of Hogwarts on the envelope. There's multiple things in here. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. These are postcards. Little tiny postcards, and they have what looks to be concept art on them. Oh, that's so cool. I would like to go on a walk here. So nice. Oh, cool. The Great Hall for Christmas. Would that not be the coolest thing ever? All right. Now we need number 20 right here. Let's see what's in here. Gryffindor. Same on both sides. Hufflepuff. Ravenclaw. And Slytherin. I think these are drink coasters. I like the artwork. I'm not a huge fan of the pastel colors because it just doesn't seem like the right color for me. It should be a deeper color. Let's do number 21. Where are you, number 21? Here is 21. Oops. It's a chocolate frog box sticker. I'm glad it was a sticker. I pulled it out, and at first I thought it was just a little tiny print, but it's a sticker, so that's really cool. Number 22 is right here. Another large envelope. Let's see what is inside of it. It's got some cards on here. We have potion cards, it looks like. We've got the Draft of Living Death and Felix Felicis and Verita Serum. Then we've got the Polyjuice Potion. It looks like this is Hermione's writing, where she was writing how to do the Polyjuice Potion. And then it has a little bit about each of these potions on the backs of the cards as well. I mean, this is all right. I like this one a lot because I've never really seen that part where Hermione wrote the notes down and stuff. I don't remember seeing it anyway, so that's really cool. Number 23 is right here. There's a ghost and Hermione and I think one of the Weasley twins over here. I'm not sure. Hard to make out, but let's see what's in this envelope. So this is another sticker. It might be a little hard to make out because it's a very dark design on here. and it's kind of shiny. So when I do this, you can't really see it. It has like a little embroidered Hogwarts, and it says, "I'd rather stay at Hogwarts this Christmas." Now we have number 24, so this would be Christmas Eve, and it's a very large envelope. So let's see what we would get if we were opening this on Christmas Eve. Whoa, no way. Oh, that's so cool. I did not expect this. This is the map of Hogwarts. This is only shown in the movie like very briefly in someone's hands. Like they didn't use this prop a lot. And the border here is the same design used on the Quidditch campsite map prop. They just changed the inside there. And on the opposite side, it has a very faint Hogwarts crest right here. That's so cool. I'm so surprised that, and happy that they actually included this replica. Never would have thought that they would do that. I thought it was just going to be like the more well-known stuff. And now we're going to do the very last one, Christmas Day. This is what you would be opening on Christmas Day. Number 25, and it's actually quite small, but there's something in there it's kind of like bulky. So let's have a look at what we would get for Christmas Day. It is a little Hedwig keychain. I don't use keychains like that often. I don't really like decorate my keys with them. Honestly, I would have rather have gotten the map on Christmas Day and maybe this one on Christmas Eve. I think might have been my preference. And that is everything inside of this. And they did send me 2 of them. One of them I'm going to be giving away. So if you want to get this, get your hands on it before Christmas, obviously. I'm only going to have this giveaway open for a few days because I want to get this out to somebody. If you want to order one, you've got a few days to get your order in so that you can have it by December 1st. Let me know what you thought of all the stuff in there. I thought it was a pretty decent advent calendar. There were some items in there that I wasn't extremely excited about, like the paperclip. I wasn't really excited about that one. And I thought it was strange that the 2 letters that should have been in the same envelope were separated. That seemed a little, it felt a little off to me. But overall, I really liked this advent calendar, and I think it's perfect for people who like the memories and want to read a little bit more about certain scenes. Let me know what you guys thought. Are you going to be picking this up? What was your favorite item? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next one.